Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering up the case and confirming both earbuds hold charge. This prevents an interrupted reset. Once done, turn Bluetooth off on your phone and remove any active pairing for Boult Audio Z40. Make sure you have both earbuds in hand and the case open on a flat surface. Press and hold each earbud's multifunction button briefly to wake them before the dedicated reset sequence. This primes the earbuds to accept the factory reset command. Now perform the actual reset. With both earbuds seated, press and hold their touch areas or physical buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the LED pattern change, usually an alternating or rapid blink, which signals the internal firmware clearing paired memory. Keep holding until the pattern completes. Releasing early aborts the process. This erases previous pairings and returns settings to factory defaults, so you'll need to pair again. Finish by closing the case for 2 seconds, then reopening it to wake the newly reset earbuds and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Select Boult Audio Z40 from the available devices and complete the pairing. This restores normal operation. If pairing fails, repeat the reset once more exactly as before. If still unsuccessful, fully drain the case and earbuds, recharge to above 50%, then perform the reset again. That extra cycle resolves stubborn firmware or charge state issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.